I feel like I need to have one of those, like, 2 weeks later.
2 weeks later.
Little screens. So, it's been at least 2, if not 3 weeks. Charlie had knee surgery. Then one of our daughters had surgery. Now it is fall time, headed towards winter time, if you can't tell. I'm wearing 2 pairs of socks. My goal for today is to not have to pee here because it's freaking cold. So we are still on this log where we're trying to get to Basixers, or I don't know. I'm just hoping the engine keeps my hands warm. That's where my priority is today. So we should get back to milling. This is why people don't watch our channel. I actually don't know why people don't watch our channel, because if I knew why people didn't watch the channel, I would fix it so that people would start to watch the channel.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reapers Ford to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. And who we to know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on my mind. I miss the smoke on the Cumberland and the fireflies at midnight, and the color of the leaves in the fall.
left Chattanooga, boy, had a dollar and a dime. Headed out for Nashville on the Hard Rock Line. I'm working on that old steamboat and learned to ride the steam. When my feet had touched dry land, how happy I did feel. Been saving every penny for to make up through the fall. Working for that dollar, but it never adds up at all. But coming around the river bank, heard the old train whistle sing. The very next thing you hear from me, I've been tied to a ball and chain.
Anyway, we got a pine log, trying to see how many we can get. The Colt and I do not. We're going to see how many tubas of something, of some sort, how much wood we can get out of this. We're going to try to cut this thing into some workable piece. I don't know. This is a hot mess. What? Do people want to see? It's a decent sized log, no?
I don't know. How big is the log?
32 inches this way. 30 inches.
So effectively, it's probably a little smaller because that's kind of on a swell, like on a knot swell. But
I can't feel my toes anymore.
She thinks I'm a little lazy, I think she's a little crazy. We like summer and we like spring, watching wrestling in the ring. She ain't shy, she speaks her mind, tough as nails and smooth as wine. We burn hot as kerosene, baby, we got our own thing. She ain't skinny and I ain't tall, and that don't bother us at all. I run naked through the yard, she flash every police car, drinking wine and getting tired, shooting out the damn street lights. How does she put up with me? Oh, baby, we got our own thing. We got our own thing. We don't need no rain. We ain't rich, but son of a bitch, we're a hillbilly king and queen. Life don't seem so hard with you beneath the stars, 'cause we're growing 4-leaf clovers in the yard.
There ain't nothing that he can't fix. He's a hard-headed son of a bitch. We got married on the Georgian line. Watch out, ladies, this one is mine. He works hard and just don't quit, even if his pants don't fit. Lord, he'll be the death of me. Baby, we've got our own thing. We eat good like you ought to do. Mashed potatoes and gravy too. Picnic table out in the back. He's only had one heart attack. Pecan pie beneath the moon. Paper plates and plastic spoons. We're as close as two sardines. Baby, we got our own thing.
We got our own thing. We don't need no rain. We ain't rich, but son of a bitch, we're a hillbilly king and queen. Life don't seem so hard with you beneath the stars, 'cause we're growing 4-leaf clovers in the yard. Holding hands and touching minds,
Smoking grass and feeling fine.
we're as crazy as a cuckoo clock.
We're the weird ones on the block.
Stuff some cash down in her bra.
I even like my mother-in-law.
She's my backwoods beauty queen.
Baby, we
Got our own thing. We got our own thing. We don't need no rain. We ain't rich, but son of a bitch, we're a hillbilly king and queen. Life don't view beneath the stars. 'Cause we're growing four-leaf clovers in the yard. Yeah, we're growing four-leaf clovers in the yard.
Of all the things that are shiny and new, I'm the dull stone at the bottom of the pool, tossed back